Power on. Bluetooth mode.
I've ordered this from AliExpress online shopping app. This is BT2309 Multifunction Music Bluetooth speaker. Supports 15 watts wireless charging, an alarm clock speaker, a home decor inspired by a Q styling design, and a smart lamp. So in this video, I will be unboxing, showing the different lighting effects option, testing the speaker, how to set the time and the alarm, and last in the list is checking the battery capacity. Inside the box is this. The device itself, BT2309. The user manual. Then the Type-C cable. I've been unboxing a smart wireless sound machine, the G-shaped inspired. So this time let's try and check this Q-shaped design. So this is the front view, and this is where you can charge your smartphone that supports 15 watts wireless charging. At the back where ports are located and the speaker was placed. Later I will show the functions of this ports.
Power on.
So let's try first the different lighting effects. So this version it doesn't says it supports an app, even in the manual doesn't indicate as well. So selecting the lightning effect can be done manually. Well, all lightning effect works very well. So it's time to check the speaker.
Bluetooth mode. Connecting.
To increase the volume, press and hold the plus button, and to decrease the volume, press and hold the negative button. Then if you want a music with lightning effects, then use this music rhythm. The light will play together with the beats. Make it sure that this kind of light effects you need to choose in order to play a music rhythm effects.
SD card mode. TEMU.
Using AUX mode for music rhythm effects will not apply, meaning you can't use music rhythm effects on AUX mode. The speaker sound is okay, very clear and clean, not really loud. For me, it's enough to cover the sound in your room if you're alone, though it doesn't have a wow effect due to lacking of bass effect.
SD card mode.
To set 12 hours or 24 hours time format, double-click play or pause button / switch button. Well, if it is connected to Bluetooth, the time will automatically change. But if you want to set manually, this is how to do it. Double-click the clock sign, button, then minus or plus button to adjust. Then double-click again for the minutes. Same thing, plus and minus to adjust. By the way, setting the time you may adjust also the month and day. Just keep on double-clicking till everything is set, but make it sure the desired number you set is blinking. D stand for day and M stand for month. And also, if you want to hide the clock display, you may long press the light / time button. And for the temperature, for first-time usage or switching on, the reading temperature is not yet accurate. As you can see, both my phone are almost the same reading, but the device way too far. Just keep it open till it is fully detect the right temperature. And for setting the alarm, it's the same procedure with setting the time. But this time you need to double-click the alarm sign or button. There are different choices of alarm music. Double-click the alarm button, then plus or minus to select alarm music, and then double-click again the alarm button and plus and minus and select on, then double-click to OK. And these are the alarm sound choices. The alarm volume keep on increasing until you turn it off. Click any button to turn off the sound. But if you want to turn off the alarm, this is how to do it. Do the same thing as you setting the alarm time, but instead turning on, choose turn off, then double-click to OK. And you will notice the alarm sign is no longer present. If you will use the wireless charging function, use 9 volts with 2 ampere travel adapter, as it says in the manual. Well, this is iPhone 12 Pro, and this supports 15 watts. Make it sure you know your phone how many watts does it support. And take note, not all phones support wireless charging capabilities, so check it first your phone manual. Though it works, but it is very slow, and when I remove it, my phone getting hot. So for me, not really considering using this as my wireless charging device. The light is turned on, clock display is present, and using Bluetooth mode and playing music through YouTube with medium sound volume. Well, it takes 4 hours and 30 minutes usage in my test.
Battery low. Power off.
In charging the device, you need to use with an input power of 5 volts and 2 ampere. Or I may say you can use your smartphone charging adapter. But the thing is, my device has a problem with light indicator. When I plug in, it is in red light, and in just a second it turned into green light, which it is not good because green means fully charged. Then I tried twice if it's only a mistake, but it wasn't. I've been trying many times and it will just turn into green light. So the only solution I can think in charging the battery is to set a timer. Well, in my opinion, the material used is great. Light functions is superb. Even the time display is perfect. though the quality of speaker not that's as great, but it's okay and manageable. I encountered only two problems: the wireless charging, which is very slow, and the battery indicator, which is not good. I've been charging for almost 6 hours, and the battery capacity exceeded the capacity written in the manual. As you notice my tester reading, it's almost 1,400 milliampere, which in the manual only 1,200 milliamperes battery capacity. And by the way, this 1400 power capacity, it takes my usage for almost 4 hours. Does my tester have a problem, or my device? Let me know your thoughts. And that's all. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.